Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing and personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and be talking about my Webull portfolio. And the reason we're doing that is because in the last couple of months we haven't talked about the dividends that we received from the portfolio, and so we're going to go through the last 2 months because we actually missed last month's dividend portfolio video, and so this will be 2 months worth of dividend portfolio payments that we'll be talking about today. But before we get straight into that, it'd be really awesome if you go ahead and smash that like button and hit the subscribe as well, as we are trying to grow our community. If you want to be a part of that, it's completely free to do so. Thank you so much for doing so, and let's get into it. As you can see here, we're already in our Webull portfolio. I've been screen recording for a couple seconds now, but let's go ahead and go to more, and then we're going to hit funds. And this is how you're able to see all of the dividend payouts that I was able to receive. So if we start here on January 4th, we received a payment from Allstate that equated in 54 cents being paid out. We also received a payout from TELUS Communications, which was $1.22. Viacom CBS paid out 48 cents. And then we have some fees, because these are some of the companies I have are foreign, so that's 18 cents in fees that we paid. Then we have Kimberly Clark that paid out $1.07 on January 5th. Lamb Research went ahead and paid us $1.30 on January 6th. We gained some interest for the cash balance that we had, which was equivalent to 9 cents. Then we received a payout from BCE, which paid us 65 cents on January 15th, as well as Main Street Capital, which paid us 62 cents. And then, of course, we still have fees here that we had to pay for the foreign stocks that we hold. Then we have Keurig Dr. Pepper, which paid us 15 cents on January 22nd. Simon Property Group went ahead and paid us $6.50 on January 25th. Bank of America, the preferred share that we have, went ahead and paid us 38 cents. GE went ahead and paid us $1 for the 100 shares that we have on January 25th as well. Bank of Nova Scotia paid us $14.08 on January 27th, and we had to pay $2.11 on that because that is a foreign stock. And then we were paid on January 28th by Shaw Communications, 39 cents for that one. And again, we paid 6 cents for that stock because it's from Canada. John Deere went ahead. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. CVS went ahead and paid us 50 cents on February 1st, when John Deere went ahead and paid us 76 cents on February 8th. We went ahead and bought, Rocket Companies and Hyliion. And then January 10th, we were paid another 7 cents for the interest of our cash balance. And then on February 11th, we were paid $2.05 for the 10 shares that we hold. And Clorox on our birthday went ahead and paid us $1.11. And dividends paid out also were Main Street Capital, which paid us 62 cents. One Oak went ahead and paid us $4.68. Tanger Factory Outlets went ahead and paid us 18 cents. And that was all on my birthday. It's almost like they knew it was my birthday. And then AbbVie went ahead and paid us $1.30 on February 16th. Then we received 39 cents on February 25th from Shaw Communications and had to pay fees on that. And BMO, which is the Bank of Montreal, Canada, paid us 83 cents, and then we had to pay fees on that. So that's all the dividend payments that we received for the month of January and February. Of course, I'll go ahead and calculate how much this was, how many payments I was paid, and I will subtract the fees, and I'll make sure to put that up right here so you can go ahead and see that. But with that said, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and end the screen recording right now. And I just want to thank you so much if you've been a part of the journey. If you haven't and you're new to the channel, please go ahead and join us. You can go ahead and support by liking and hitting that subscribe button. We do have useful links down below if you want to be a part of that. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one, and God bless.